estate.
Yeah, so it's kind of like a will substitute, but the thing that makes it different is that it's a living document. So a will only comes into effect once you're dead. So it does nothing for you during your lifetime, whereas a trust helps manage your property. So in the event, let's say you had a stroke or you got in a car accident, you're raced to the hospital and you don't have capacity, your successor trustees can step in without a beat, continue to pay your bills. If you have minor children, continue to pay for things for them, take care of them.
Or let's say that you've got a number of rental properties and you want to put them in its own separate trust in case somebody tries to come after you for your assets. Is that something that you
Yeah,
can structure?
so
Or?
that's where, the business law and the estate planning cross over. So in the business law context, we help people form entities, we help them structure buy-sell agreements and fund them, ESOPs, all kinds of things. But for the real estate, what we want to do typically is put it into an LLC. So it's a matter of figuring out what jurisdiction to form that LLC under, because you don't necessarily have to form it in California. You may have to foreign file here if the property is here and if your client is here. But the asset protection comes in because if something happens bad on that property, whether it's a commercial property or a rental property, they're going to sue the entity and not the person in their name. So if it's just hanging out there in your name, there's a huge probability that if you're sued, your assets are subject to being taken.